All right, guys, we're doing this spring seeding project. I can't, the sun is like right in my face. This area used to be, I think it was strawberry beds.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna try to level it out and spread some seed and some peat moss and some starter fertilizer, and we'll be good to go. I'm probably gonna overseed over there too. And then, yeah. All right, let's get some rakes out. All right, so I'm gonna try to use this to try to, I don't know, chop up any of the big hills. Let's see. Yeah. Try to just spread it around and smooth it out as much as possible. All the bare spots. Somebody get the bike out. Yeah.
Well, why is this like stuck in the ground?
He probably buried it with a stake.
Oh, yeah. Oh, that was the slingshot.
Okay, so scrape it up real good.
The slingshot was made better. He stuck it in.
So the seed that I'm using today is the Seed Superstore Bluegrass Blend. It's got Blue Note, Midnight, Bewitched, good stuff. And there's the little thingy. All right, so the last time I did this, it was a custom blend through Seed Superstore. This time, I'm just using the regular blend. It should mix in pretty well. Where are you? Take a handful, sprinkle it around. You can also do the toss. Boom. Boom. So we're just going to the big bare spots. Boom, boom, boom. You want to do some grass seed now? Yeah. Okay, buddy. Hold on, everybody. One pinch. All right, let's see you do it. Good job. Why don't you do handful? A whole handful. No?
Can I do some?
Yep. All right, we're also going to convert this over. This was a little bit crazier. It's got some dead weeds in it from last year. It might actually be, no, that might be straw. So let's get all this stuff out of the way. We'll deal with the weeds later. I'm going to be doing Kentucky bluegrass, which will fill in. So all we need to do is get enough of Kentucky bluegrass in there started, and then later, about a month or two from now, when we're killing all the weeds, it'll fill in any holes created by them. I'll also be applying the Scott starter with mesotrione in it, which will kill some of the weeds and it'll prevent more weeds, so we'll be okay with that. Now, it is a little risky doing spring seeding because of the weed pressure, but I am okay with that. I don't want these huge blocks of dirt all year long. Now if it was just like, I'll show you a spot. So like these little spots here and periodically where it's not filled in, I'm not going to overseed that because it will actually fill in, and it's not worth skipping pre-emergent on this whole area when, you know, it's just going to fill in. But this type of area, that will be an eyesore all year long. So whether or not I plant grass there, that's going to be a problem with weeds. So I might as well plant the grass, and then in the fall, if I have to do it again, I do it again. But at the very least, this is going to look better because it's seed. Try to be even. All right, so I put pre-emergent down on the grass, but I did not do it over here. So we're gonna do the same process. Next, we're gonna put down peat moss. I like this because it holds in moisture and it's easy to tell if you need to water again. I don't have enough to do everywhere, but I'm gonna do this area and the backyard area, and that should be good. So I like to do it upside down with the that one. So if you do the rake upside down, it can help with the gentle raking it out. Let me see this one. Actually, you can do that side over there. Do you see how I flipped it for the big piles? So with this rake, it's really useful for doing peat moss. The big piles, you do it that way. Then when it's time to just smooth it out, you flip it and just do a light smoothing. And so I find it works really well for this type of thing. All right, so now it's time for the Scott's starter fertilizer with mesotrione in it. It'll prevent weeds from coming up and allow the grass to germinate and feed it at the same time. Actually, probably shouldn't have put as much as I did in the hopper, but I'll store it in a 5-gallon sealed bucket later. Yeah, that barely used any. All right, so the final step is just to water it and keep it moist until it starts to grow, and then gradually reduce the watering. It's gonna rain in a few hours supposedly, and then be rainy all week, so that's why I'm doing it now. It's technically probably a little bit early, but close enough. If you like my videos, you'll love my website, grassdaddy.net. The Lawn Care Planner tool will download the local weather reports every morning and build a lawn care plan catered to your area. The Lawn Care Journal allows you to keep track of what you put down, when you put it down, so there's no more guessing or over or under applying any products. We also have a Lawn of the Week contest. Every week a winner gets a Grass Daddy t-shirt. And last but not least, there are application calculators and articles to help you identify and tackle problems in the lawn. So check it out, it's completely free, it's grassdaddy.net.